Hello students, now we will discuss about what are different terms that are responsible for basis of classification of animal kingdom, and also what are different phylums that we study under animal kingdom chapter. So first we will see basis of classification. First one, levels of body organization. Second term that we study is symmetry. Third one is germinal layers. Next is body cavity or coelom. Next is about body plan. Next is about segmentation. Next is about notopod. Next about circulatory systems. Next about embryonic developments. So these are different types of terms that we study for the basis of classification. Now we will see the list of different phylum that we study in this animal kingdom chapter. So different phylums. First one is protozoa. Protozoa is considered as one of the category of protista. It is included in kingdom protista. Second one, porifera. Porifera is studied under kingdom Animalia. Next, third one, Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Next one is Ctenophora. Ctenophora is considered as a minor phylum. Ctenophora, that is minor phylum. Next one is Platyhelminthes. Next one is Nematyhelminthes or we also call it as Ascalmenthes. We also call it as nematodes. Next one is about Annelida. Next is about Arthropoda. Next about molluscans. Next about Echinodermata. Next about Hemichordata. Next about last one, Chordata. Under protozoans, we study about amoeba and different types of protozoans, paramecium, etc. So here examples are amoeba, paramecium, etc. Under porifera, we read about sponges. Under Coelenterata, we read about hydra and jellyfish. Under Ctenophora, we read about Pleurobrachia and Ctenoplana. Pleurobrachia and Tenoplana. Here it is C. Tenoplana is correct. Next, under platyhelminthes, we read about tapeworms. Under nematihelminthes or nematode, we read about roundworms. Also, for example, ascaris. Roundworms. Example, ascaris. Under Annelida, we read about earthworms, leeches, etc. Next, under Arthropoda, we read about insects like scorpions and flies, etc. All types of insects, scorpions, flies, etc. Under molluscans, we read about snails. We also call as pila and octopus, etc. Snails, we also call as pila, octopus, etc. Under echinodermata, we read about starfishes. Under hemichordata, we read about balanoglossus. Under chordata, we read about species and reptiles, aves, mammalia, etc. Like fishes, which comes under Pisces, reptiles, aves like birds, mammalia like monkeys, human beings. So these are a few basic types of terms that we read in depth in this chapter, in this animal kingdom chapter.